Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to remove the cover panels of a Canon EOS 7D camera. Recently I had this camera which I had to access the inside, so I had to remove the body cover panels. In this video I show you how I did that. If you're interested in the assembly video, then the link is in the description below. It is important to put back the screws where they originally came from. Let me share you a trick how I do it. I have a paper which is divided into sections and I name those sections by the size of camera. And then I place the screws relative to each other. In this video you can see it, but I have another video about disassembly and assembly of a Canon 50D where I show you how to do it. The link is in the description below. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to remove the cover panels of the camera. I will use a Phillips 3.0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger and the metal tweezers. If you're interested in them, then links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. Also, there's an update section in the description. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I add it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So, let's get started. This is the camera which cover will be removed. Remove the eye cap, rubber covers, battery door and battery. Remove all the screws. Remove the left cover first. Lift up the back cover a little bit, then disconnect the flex cable. Remove the front cover. Remove the bottom cover. Disconnect the cables of the top cover. Remove the screw which holds the top cover. Continue with disconnecting the cables. Push up the top cover a little bit, then disconnect the flex cable. Remove those two screws. Remove the metal cover. Remove the small switch. Remove the cover. We finished removing the covers of the camera. Join me in the next video where I show you how to assemble the camera. Link is in the description below. I hope this video was useful, helpful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time in my other videos.